Hello everyone, I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a recipe for you guys that is perfect if you think you're gonna watch the Super Bowl this weekend, or honestly, just anytime. It's a delicious recipe and perfect while we're still in these chilly months. So we are going to make a vegan buffalo chicken dip using soy curls, which are perfect here. They really mimic the texture of a shredded chicken in this dish. And if you know me, you know I love to sneak veggies in things. So we're sneaking in cannellini beans and zucchini in here. You're not even gonna taste them. You're not even gonna know it's here. And it's just gonna add a really nice creamy texture. Great way to get your kids to eat a little more veggies too. And this dip is so good, it's so delicious, and it's really easy to make, and it is easy to make nut-free if you do have a nut allergy. I'm pretty sure it's already gluten-free as I'm thinking of it off the top of my head, and obviously it's vegan, so it is really good. And as always, the full written out recipe is on my blog, link in the description box down below for that, ingredients written out, and anything that I think you might need, as well as links for my cookbook. Sign up for my newsletter so you never miss new recipes, and anything else that I think you need to know. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. And if you like my videos, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Helps the channel out, helps us to grow and spread more vegan recipes. And with all that being said, let's go make some buffalo chicken dip. To start this recipe, we're gonna boil our zucchini. I already peeled and chopped it, and our cannellini beans, drained and rinsed. Add enough water to cover them, and then just bring them over to the stove and boil them for about 10 to 15 minutes until everything is nice and soft. In the meantime, let's rehydrate our soy curls. These are soy curls. I'll have a link for them down below on where you can get them, and alternatives to the soy curls in the blog post. Cover them with water, set them to the side for about 10 minutes. Use warm water to rehydrate them, and they'll just soak up all that water, and as you can see, they are rehydrated and looking much better now. And then I'm just gonna drain out all that excess water. We don't need it for anything. And I'm going to use my fingers to start to kind of shred this up a little bit, just these bigger pieces of the soy curls, so it's kind of more like a shredded chicken. And then I'm just going to take a paper towel and give it a big squeeze, because there's all that water and we don't want that in our dip. We just don't want that in there. So really give them a nice squeeze out. And that's it. The soy curls are so easy to use and I really enjoy them. So let's make our sauce. So I'm taking that boiled zucchini and cannellini beans, drained out the water, adding those into my blender, along with some vegan cheese, garlic powder, nutritional yeast, paprika, and we're adding in some non-dairy milk. And then we're just gonna blend it up. It's very simple to make this, and I like this because it's creamy and delicious from the zucchini and the cannellini beans. So now let's pop that soy curls into a baking dish. Gonna cover it with that sauce that we made. See how nice and creamy that is? Gonna add some buffalo sauce, and then we're gonna add some vegan cream cheese and vegan ranch. If you wanna know the brands of everything that I'm using, I will have everything listed down below and in the blog post. So just carefully mix that up. I probably should have used a slightly larger dish for this, but you know, we go with what we do here. So I'm just mixing it up until everything is really well incorporated, especially that vegan cream cheese. So you can actually taste this at this point because everything in here is cooked. So I'm just making sure that it's salty enough. For me it was. You might want to add more salt, I don't know. So just clean the dish up. I just like to always do that. And then we're gonna bake at 350 for 20 minutes. You can see it's nice and crispy and beautiful looking on top. And serve it up with some tortilla chips, carrots, celery, pita breads, peppers, I mean anything you like. I'm gonna drizzle some vegan ranch on top and some more buffalo sauce and a little bit of green onion on top. And this is just like the perfect dip. It looks so good, it tastes so delicious. I love that you're getting the zucchini and the cannellini beans in there and you don't even realize it. And I also have been like kind of putting it on pita breads with some extra vegan cheese on top, and it's really good. So I think you guys will really enjoy it. Like I said earlier, full written out recipes on the blog, link in the description box down below for that. Ingredients are written out as well, so check the description box for everything that you might want to know, or the blog post. And yeah, now you can just enjoy your delicious dip. Look how creamy, so good. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye.